Hello, children. This is your first lesson, the advent and the expansion of the British power in India. In this chapter, we will study why did European trading companies come to India, what was India's political condition at the time of advent of the East India Company. So, I am reading this chapter for you. After the invasion of Alexander, the history of India is a long saga of continuous struggle and conflict. The vast resources of India had been a source of attraction to many clans and invaders. The Sikhs, the Hunas, the Mongols invasions are some example. Some of these invaders either returned after their defeat or became a part of this country by intermingling in the socio-cultural life. The Mughals established a mighty empire in the north of India. During the Mughal rule, many conflicts arose between Mughals Rajput, Mughal Sikhs, and the Mughals Marathas. After the establishment of the Mughal power, many European powers came to India. The prominent among them were the Portuguese, the Dutch, the French, and the British. Conflicts arose among them for trade and afterwards for capture of political power. Ultimately, the British emerged successful in establishing their power after signing pacts with the Indian rulers and establishing supremacy over them. The people of India struggled against the British to achieve independence. The people of India actively took part in the freedom movement and ultimately achieved independence in the year 1947. In the coming chapters, we will study about the glorious struggle of Indian independence. Now, I am going to explain this chapter, this topic. Dear children, in the Indian history, so many invaders attacked in the India, like like Alexander, Sikhs, Mongols, etc. Some of them returned to their countries, and some intermixed in our India. But the Mughals established their empire in North India. In the Mughal power, so many European power came to India for trade like Dutch, French, Portuguese, British, etc. In the last, Britishers were the most powerful and emerged over our country in the East India as a East India Company. In the Britishers ruled up to 200 years in India, but the Indians opposed them and finally Britishers went back in year 1947, as you know. We will read about our independence struggle in coming chapters. Dear students, you all have to find out underlined difficult meanings of the words and also paste passport size picture of Alexander in your fair copy like this. As you can see in your screen, this is the Alexander copy, Alexander picture, and this is the trade picture. You have to paste passport size pictures. Okay.